This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a donut pillow at home. First, gather your materials. You'll need about 1 yard of soft fabric, like fleece or minky, for the main pillow. Also, prepare your sewing essentials: a sewing machine, matching thread, and sharp fabric scissors. Don't forget plenty of polyester fiber fill to ensure your pillow is wonderfully plush and supportive. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, let's prepare your fabric. Lay your chosen material flat and cut 2 identical large circles, each approximately 18 inches in diameter. Then, from the center of each large circle, cut out a smaller circle, about 4 inches across. This creates the donut shape. Now, place your 2 fabric donut shapes right sides together and sew around the outer and inner edges, leaving a small 2-inch opening on one of the outer curves. Now it's time to bring your donut pillow to life. Carefully turn the fabric right side out through the small opening you left. Use a blunt object, like a chopstick, to gently push out all the seams for a smooth finish. Begin stuffing the pillow with your polyester fiber fill, distributing it evenly until the pillow feels wonderfully firm and plump. Finally, hand-stitch the opening closed using a ladder stitch for a neat, invisible seam. Your basic donut pillow is complete, but now for the fun part: customization. You can add colorful sprinkles using small felt pieces glued or sewn on, or even fabric paint for a more permanent design. Consider embroidering a cute face, a sweet message, or even a fun pattern to truly make it your own. This is where your creativity shines. And hey, while you're crafting, remember life's too short for a stinky car. Check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.